this is my piece of fabric I have, and then I'm gonna measure from here to here 65, and then I'm gonna mark like that, and then I'm gonna here, then again I'm gonna measure 65 like that, 65 in the middle, and then I'm gonna cut it. So this is gonna be all the perimeter from your bag. There we go, just like that. Okay. Now we take the bag again, and then we say that the height is from the top right here to the bottom is in, let's say 19 centimeter. I mean it's 18, but I give 1 centimeter more for sewing around. Okay, so this is gonna be inside the bag like that, all around, and then we're gonna cut the hay. Okay, so before you are gonna sew this piece that we just cut, I suggest you to put some pin here and then try everything on, because it could be sometimes that you need cut a little bit more. Then after you close it here with the pin, you fold this in half, just like that. Okay, and then you put inside here in the middle, just like that. Okay, so have to be even in each side. Then you're gonna put some pin here, just a second, I think no, this way, you have to put it this way, right side face on you. It was something that I forgot to tell you. Face side in you, like that. Okay, see, I left it just a little bit, maybe a centimeter, and then I put this in the middle. Then you take this one and you take this like that. Okay, then you put some pin here and here and here. Okay, then you go to this side, and then you're gonna put some here. Turn around like that. Some here on one. You don't need that much, just to keep the fabric together. And then here, see, I'm very happy because I don't have to cut more, so I'm good like that. Like that. I'm not expert to sewing. Maybe some of you is very good sewing it, so that's what I learned to do it. So I show you to you like that. And like that. Okay, Now we're gonna try inside the bag and see if they fit before we start. You can sew it with a large stitch and if you don't want to keep this on, but it's just for having an idea. And then you go inside here and you will put this way, and then I show you. See, it fit perfect. Now I can sew it with, you can sew it with the sewing machine, you can sew it by hand, whatever you like to do. Okay, so I'm gonna finish mine and then I'm back. Okay, when you sew everything, we're gonna put it away for now, and then we're gonna take it later. Now we have to close here. So here we're gonna do a slip stitch here. Actually we're gonna make a, oh, it doesn't matter because we have to close anyway. So you're gonna cut, pull, and then you're gonna pass here, and then gonna put inside. Okay, like that. Now still we have to make this even, like that. And then from here to here they have to be very even. And then you're gonna count how many motifs you have in this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need to find in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is gonna be my middle. Then you take one of these magnetic clasps, and then you're gonna go higher. You have to put it here where we do the single crochet here. So you're gonna put this inside like that. Then you put it back like that, and then we're gonna close it. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing in the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this in the back, and then you're gonna push. If it's hard, you can try this scissor to push it down like that. Okay. Now it's time to line it. So you couldn't put it back here like that. Make sure that the bottom touch the bottom, that the size right. Just like that. Then help yourself with some pin, and then we have to border just behind, just below, sorry, below the single crochets here, because this is gonna be like that. Okay, so just below here, put some pin. Let's go start this way first, and then this way first. And then we go around this way. Once in a while they give a tut, so tight a little bit. Like I say, you have to go just below the single crochet row, okay? Just like that. And now you're gonna sew this part to the bag with a little stitch, just roughly stitch. They don't have to be perfect, because we're gonna put this down and then we're gonna sew in here, okay? So just go to the bottom like that, just very large, just to keep in place the line. Come closer, maybe you can see better. They don't have to be like I say, perfect. Okay, so continue sew all around, and then I'll meet you when I'm done. Okay, I give you a very large stitch, like I say. Okay, now we have to remember that we have a single crochet back loop only. That's what we need for now. Then we're gonna do something else here. Now it's time to sew this part inside. We don't need this one anymore, so we can take them out. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna do the invisible stitch. I'm gonna put it, I'm starting from here, so I'm gonna hide the tile just like that, and then I'm gonna start to sew it like that. All around the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna finish mine, and I'm right back. That's what it looks like after you sew the fabric inside the bag.